Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create 2000 scam effects on Higgsfield AI. So these are the kind of images we would be aiming to create in this particular video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, and once you go on the website, you would see so many visual effects you could create all with the click of a button, and even image effects, and that is where we are going to start from. So we are going to click on the Higgsfield. So after we log in, or we've created an account, then scroll to the 2000 scam, click on it. You will be brought to a page similar to what we have here, where you can see retro or vintage pictures, and then you can click on any of these images to actually recreate them. So let's assume I want to recreate which one would I recreate now? Okay, let me choose this one. It's giving me a good vibe. So I'll just click on recreate here. So once I click on the recreate button, it will take me to a page where I can actually modify the prompt and make it into my own. So you can actually modify the prompt in this area, and let's see. Let me just turn this, let me just change his gender to a female. Alright, the okay, let me see if there's some other thing to change. Okay, let me just change this to around okay. I guess so. I think I'm done, and I'll just change this to basic, because the basic uses just a single credit for generation, while the high uses two. So I can just change it and see what it gives me. So within a few seconds my image should be ready. So we can see our image here, very beautiful. I mean, very beautiful. Higgsfield is really killing it, and I'm just wondering where I'm just getting to know about it. So we can actually make a video. We can make this image into a video, or make it speak by using this particular any of these particular effects here. And then once we are done, we can actually download it here. So once you click on download, our video or image would be ready for use. So let me know if you have any questions as regards the use of this particular image effects on your end. Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much guys, and do have a great day.